So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Siemens Automation. So, in today's lecture, I discuss about CPT block and also not equal block and also equal block. In my previous lecture, I already discussed and make video on less than equal, greater than equal. You can see it is my last video. So if you new on my YouTube channel, so please I recommend you for better understanding and better learning. Visit on my YouTube channel playlist that is uploaded on my YouTube channel Siemens Automation. That is playlist name is Studio 5000 for beginner. So for your better understanding, so let's start how to use CPT block and what is CPT block and how to use them. So delete. Take CPT first equal and not equal. So equal block and one another is a not equal block. So not equal. And from previous video I already made the counter. So copy and paste it here. We can write anything value 60, 80, 20 in under 20 because counter value is 20 and 30. Next is our require is counter reset. Also greater than when a is greater than 20, so required counter will be reset. Copy and counter estimator value placed, counter estimator value placed, and click on save button. Before download the program, always required to come verify the controller also required verify routine. When you click verify controller, so in all program any error, so easily we can easily see here error. So now is a complete zero error and zero warning. And when say click on verify routine, so from we can see only routine error. Select communication RSO, already by default slot number 5, and basic means already talked basic means Studio 5000 slot basic 5, model is basic slot 5. Click on download. Warning structure test routine cannot be reached by the main routine. So program is main. Okay, that's right. Required the structure test routine is main routine. I talked about this related to topic structure test, how to program structure test, how to I mapping in structure test language, means ST language, and also when start the video, when start the course on IS88. So already on that time discuss about structure test because structure test used in IS88 programming, not normal programming. We can use normal programming, but in normal is not use structure test in normal programming. So or that's why I'm not talking about structure test in this video. When anyway, so in the first case, if counter accumulator value is equal to the source V, so in this case LED will be on, otherwise LED will be off. Only equal to the source B, and in second case not equal when counter value will be not equal to the 15, only in this case LED will be on. So now we can see counter value is 0, so counter value is 0, so source B value is not equal to counter accumulator value. So for that reason condition is true, for that reason LED is on. And in first case, if in first case counter accumulator value is not equal to the 16, so LED is off. So start when, now we will start the counter from 0 to 20, and let's see what will be happen when counter value reach 16 and when counter value reach near 15. So control and T toggle, control T toggle, 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 15 14 and 15. We can see not equal is not true, because 15 is equal source V, counter compare one accumulator, so LED is off. And when next when accumulator value, counter accumulator value 16, so what will be happen? We can see counter accumulator value is now 16, means counter accumulator value 16 is equal to source V 16, so LED 16 is on, and not equal to the counter accumulator value 16, so LED is on. In not equal, counter compare value is 16 and source V is 15, so only when in not equal case, when source A is not equal to source B, not counter, timer, timer or counter on limit block value, any value. So when source A is not equal to source B, in this case output will be not on. When source A is not equal to the source B, in this case output will be on, and when source A is equal to the source B, then output will be on off. Or we can say, or we can observe, when a source V is when source A value is greater than or less than source V in not equal, when source A is greater than or less than from source V, in this case LED will be on. And in equal, when source A is not greater than and not less than source V, means only equal, then LED will, then output will will be on. So thank you for watching my video.